Welcome to the ESET tutorials for home users and small offices. Ready to boost your digital safety? You're in the right spot. With ESET Small Business Security, you're protected in minutes. This includes quick setup and easy sharing. Let's see how it works. Once you have completed your ESET Small Business Security purchase, you will receive an email with simple instructions. Open it and follow the Get Started link. This will take you to ESET Home, your complete security management platform. Follow the prompts on this page to create your ESET Home account. You can continue with the pre-filled email or sign in quickly using your Google or Apple account. If you continue via email, simply create a strong password and select your country. Once the account has been created, you will automatically see your subscription in the dashboard. You are now ready to set up your protection. Choose one of your available subscription and simply click Continue. To start protecting devices, first choose who the protection is for. Begin by adding yourself as a member. Fill in your name. Your email cannot be changed at this stage because it must match your subscription email. Click Continue to submit. You are now a member and can start protecting your devices. You may do so anytime by accessing your member profile under the Members tile in ESET Home. For now, you may continue with selecting to protect Just Me option on your screen. Now select Protect this device and confirm by again clicking Continue. You will now see the eligible protection for this device. If you have available units, you may also see instructions for activating the ESET VPN. For more information on this process, follow the link in this video or in the description below. To protect your device, click Download Antivirus. To complete the installation, open the downloaded file and follow the instructions. If your device asks for permission, allow ESET Live Installer in your user account control. Install ESET Security application by clicking Continue. When prompted to select your protection and installation settings, our recommendation is to allow all and continue. We also suggest naming your device so that it is easier for you to recognize and manage via ESET Home in the future. Review and submit your activation details by clicking Continue. That's it. You are now protected. To extend your protection to other devices within your team, simply go to the ESET Home portal and click Add Protection. Add a new member by filling in their name and email address. After submitting this information, choose Add Protection. Select the relevant subscription and click Send Protection. The new member will receive the download link in their email inbox. All done. Empowering your small business with powerful cybersecurity has never been easier. Thank you for choosing ESET Security.
When technology enables progress, ESET is here to protect it. ESET Cybersecurity. Progress protected.